In this kingdom of peacocks, the size of your wings defines your race vitalities. The bigger and more beautiful the wings, the better your chance at love. Sadly, this little guy was born with disability. His wings just would not open. He was waiting for his date whom he had secured with a fake Tinder profile. When she arrived, he tried everything to flex his wings, but no matter how hard he tried, they straight up trolled him by refusing to open. Seeing this, his date said jowed and dipped dejected. He suddenly noticed another peacock nearby with the same problem. His wings wouldn't open either. Feeling thirsty, he strutted over. Their eyes met and like magic their wings unfolded. Their wings were not just large, they were jaw-droppingly vibrant and stunning. The two peacocks danced together in the center of the stage, leaving everyone stunned, but a few muttered, "Man, these two are definitely splitting the rent." Soon the entire kingdom joined their dazzling display and they became partners.